Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best FiberFix is probably one of the most innovative repair solutions ever pitched on Shark Tank. This incredible product allows you to fix almost anything, from broken tools to leaky pipes, with a simple wrap and cure process. FiberFix's strength and versatility make it a must-have for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast, promising a permanent fix in minutes, and it's all thanks to the power of this amazing tape. Number 5. Screenmend 5x7 Charcoal Screen Repair Kit. Tired of screen tears? This kit offers a quick DIY solution. It's simple and easy to apply, fixing rips in under a minute with just a hairdryer. Whether it's window screens, screen doors, or even RV screens, this product can mend them all. It's designed for versatile use, perfect for various screen materials. This repair kit provides a long-lasting, weatherproof solution. It's built to be durable, saving you time and effort in the long run. Avoid spending your weekend shopping for replacements. This product allows you to quickly fix the problem, saving you time and hassle. The kit includes two 5x7-inch charcoal Screenmend patches. It has everything you need to get started on your screen repair. What we like. This kit offers a quick and easy fix for your window screens. It's incredibly simple to apply, taking only seconds to mend those annoying tears. If you're looking for a fast, durable solution to keep those pesky bugs out, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The 5x7 charcoal patches are easy to cut, apply, and blend nicely with the existing screen. They adhere securely once heated and cover small to medium tears without much effort. These are extremely easy to apply. Just cut and apply heat with a hair dryer. They are perfect. And seem to have a strong adhesion. Number 4. Screenmend 5x7 Silver Gray Screen Repair Kit. Tired of looking at those unsightly rips in your screens? This is the do-it-yourself solution that fixes tears in seconds. It's simple and easy to apply. Whether it's window screens, screen doors, or even tent mesh, this product can handle it. It's perfect for on-the-go repairs, anytime, anywhere. This is a long-lasting, weatherproof solution. It's durable and designed to withstand the elements, saving you time and money. Forget spending your weekend searching for replacement parts. This product lets you fix the problem quickly and easily, so you can enjoy your day. Each kit includes two 5x7 silver gray patches. It's everything you need to get your screens looking great again. What we like. This product provides a quick fix for your window screens. The silver gray color blends seamlessly with most screen materials. If you want a discreet and effective repair that matches your existing screens, this is a great option. What people say. This window screen repair truly works and is really fast and easy to use. It worked perfectly. You can see where it was placed so the repairs are invisible, but it's functional and easy. This kit was super easy to use and works. Number 3. FiberFix Screenmend Screen Repair Kit. Are you frustrated with rips and tears in your screens? This product offers a quick and easy solution to fix them in seconds. It's designed to make screen repair simple. With Screenmend, you can repair your screens in under a minute. All you need is heat from a hairdryer to get the job done. It's that simple. This kit is perfect for repairing various screens, including window screens, screen doors, and even tent mesh. You can use it anywhere, anytime. Screenmend provides a strong, weatherproof solution for all your screen repair needs. It's built to last, saving you time and money on replacements. The 2x80-inch roll allows you to fix multiple tiers. Use what you need now and save the rest for later. It's convenient and efficient. The kit includes one 2x80-inch roll of Screenmend in silver gray. Get yours today and say goodbye to damaged screens. What we like. This kit allows you to quickly repair multiple tiers. The convenient roll lets you use what you need and save the rest. If you have multiple screens to fix or anticipate future damage, this is the most cost-effective choice. What people say. It is easy to install as long as you have a blow dryer or heat gun. It's great on small tiers and does a serviceable job on larger ones. The adhesive melted within seconds with the blow dryer. Number 2. Screenmend Window Screen Repair Kit. Are you tired of looking at those annoying rips in your screens? With Screenmend, you can fix them in under a minute. It's a simple and easy DIY solution. This repair kit is perfect for various screen types. It works on window screens, screen doors, tent mesh, and even RV screens. It's your go-to solution for any screen damage. Screenmend offers a long-lasting, weatherproof fix. It's designed to withstand the elements, ensuring your repairs last. This durable solution saves you time and money. The 2x80 roll provides plenty of material for multiple repairs. Use what you need now and save the rest for future fixes. It's a cost-effective solution for all your screen needs. The kit includes one 2x80 roll of Screenmend in charcoal. Packaging may vary, but the quality and effectiveness remain the same. Get yours today and say goodbye to screen tears. What we like. This kit offers a quick fix for multiple screen tears. The charcoal color provides a classic look. If you prefer a darker screen color and need to repair several screens, this is a great choice. What people say. Every patch I've made has stayed on with no curling or peeling off. Product is easy to apply and easy to cut to size. Very durable. I was able to get the holes mended in just a minute or two per hole and all of my screens repaired within 30 minutes. It easily repaired my screens so that bees, wasps, flies, and mosquitoes cannot enter through the screen. I snipped off the size that I needed to cover the holes, placed my customized patches over the holes, turned on hair dryer to hot, and almost instantly the pieces adhered to the screen. Number 1. FiberFix 10X Tape Repair Tape. Are you tired of flimsy duct tape? This is the solution to all your breaks, tears, and cracks. It's incredibly strong and won't tear, break, or give. Do you like to fix things? This tape is perfect for repairing garden tools, farm equipment, tarps, and tents. It's ready for any job, big or small. This repair tape is easy to store. Keep it in your glove box, garage, toolbox, purse, or trunk. It's a compact all-in-one repair kit. Why pay someone else? This residue-free adhesive tape makes for quick and easy fixes. You can do it yourself and have a durable repair. Prepare yourself with this industrial-strength tape. It comes in a 2-inch by 20-yard roll, along with a durable pocket-sized box knife. It's the perfect solution. What we like. This tape is incredibly strong, offering a solution for various breaks and tears. It can be used to fix almost anything. If you need a heavy-duty, versatile tape for a wide range of repairs, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Very strong duct tape and holds up in bad weather. An incredible strong and useful tape. Not cloth like duct tape but a woven poly tape that really sticks and holds. The tape has a hard plastic layer so it's not flexible in the way that duct tape is, but it's more durable because of that. When used in correct applications, it does a great job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.